Herkese merhaba arkadaşlar. Bugün maalesef Oğuzhan yoğunluktan dolayı çekimlere katılamıyor. Biz de yönetmenimizle yine de bu anı değerlendirelim. Yağmurla havada güzel bir video çekelim. Muhabbet arasında da size güzel bir şarkı çalalım dedik. Bakalım beğenecek misiniz? Well, I heard that was a secret chord David's play and please the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do you? And it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall and the major lift, and baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, your faith was strong, but you need proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. But she tied you to the kitchen chair. She broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew that hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Baby, I've been here before. I've seen this room, I've walked this floor. You know, I used to live alone before I knew you. But I seen your flag on the marble arch. It's a love is not a victory march. It's a calling, it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.